Buying on 30A isn't just about finding the right home. It's about the way you structure the deal. 321 Ridgewalk Circle, west end of 30A, gated, quiet, and dialed in. This one checked a lot of boxes for our buyers. Location, layout, and the overall feel of Ridgewalk. Just over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, all en suite, first floor primary, and a clean open layout that works really well for both full-time living or a second home. But when it really matters is once you decide you want it. That's where timing, positioning, and negotiation come into play. We were able to get this one under contract for the best price per foot in Ridgewalk. And in a market like 30A, especially in communities like this, those details can make a real difference over time. If you're looking along 30A, make sure you have the right strategy behind you. I'm Colby Anderson, Anderson Group 30A. We're here if you need us.